Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into TikTok without password. If you're watching this for the first time, before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you want to log into TikTok without password, follow the steps. From your app drawer, select TikTok. Launch the application and you'll end up in the home screen. Tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner in order to log in. Now, from the options displayed, tap on Sign Up. Go to the bottom of the page and tap Login. In order to log into TikTok without password, tap on the first option that says Use phone, email, or username. There are two tabs available in the screen. You can either log in with your phone number or your email and username option. If you choose the email or username option, you'll need to go ahead and type in your email or your username and then your password to log in. If you don't want to use the password in order to log in, go to the phone option and type in your mobile number in the text box. Once you type in your password, tap on Send Code, complete the verification puzzle that has been given to you. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to receive a 6-digit verification code. After you receive it, it will be automatically typed in and you'll be logged into your TikTok account without password. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.